So today we took Zombicon for scheduled maintenance on four-wheel parts of Tiger. We were going to replace the pinion seals on the front axle. Also, we had a few more things to do. We're replacing the Trackbar with a heavy-duty Trackbar. But we found something pretty interesting inside the front axle, the Ultimate 44 front axle. You will see it on the movie. We actually found pieces of metal shavings that came from the factory, from Dana Spicer. So if you guys are installing the Dana Spicer Ultimate 44, I would recommend to open it up and make a full inspection inside, just to make sure that there is no shavings of, metal shavings inside. So anyways, that's my story for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. So, Joe,
yes.
What is this from?
Huh?
What is this from?
This is from the front differential on the Super 44.
The Ultimate 44?
The Ultimate 44, I should say, not a Super. It's no longer Super. It was metal shavings from casting, and it looks like curlies from drill marks stuck in the upper cavity, and slowly but surely getting in the gears and the bearings.
It's something that they should have cleaned before they...
Thorough inspection, quality control.
Yeah.